Guys, so today I'm going to share with you my honest review about this DOILIESE high pressure shower head. So as you can see, this shower head has an extra flexible 5 feet stainless steel hose. So as you can see, so this features a durable heavy duty design with a brass connection nuts. So it allows you with a wider range of showers. So the solid brass adjustment swivel ball or this swivel ball joint, as you can see, can be swiveled for 360 degrees, and this will let you point this shower head handheld where you want it for hands-free operation at the desired angle. So as you can see, so this doilies high pressure shower head is dedicated for creating a more comfortable and cool bathing experience. So as you can see, it is made of chrome plated premium ABS material. And as you can see, it has 6 setting functions, including rain and massage, or rain, massage, mist, spray, and pose modes. So this handheld shower can be posed anytime. So just gently press the button with your thumb and you can control the switch of your water flow. So this is worth buying, and I recommend this doilies high pressure shower head because it has a powerful pulsating water, and it can also help to clean the toilet, bathtub, tile wall floor, and many more. And as you can see, this doilies is perfect for your bathroom.